So part of the work today is replacement of the air filter. So watch carefully what we are going to do and how we are going to do it, so that as a DIY you can actually get an air filter and replace it on your generator. Look at how the air filter is designed. You have two heads. One close head, open one. So the open head goes into the air filter this way. But as you can see, the generator is empty, so also the air filter housing. What we are going to do, we are going to open it. Look at how the old ones look like. Very dirty. This one will be replaced. Look at the inside of the filter housing. Very dirty. So I'm going to clean it thoroughly before inserting the new air filter. So watch carefully. You need an air filter. This is where the air goes into the condenser chamber. So if you allow dust particles to go in, it will become abrasive to the engine. Before you know, wear and tear will happen rapidly. So you have to be careful. Make sure you clean the air filter housing thoroughly. That is done. And now clean the cover also. Very well. Out. And now inside, pay attention. By the time you see where we are doing the general cleaning, that's how thoroughly taken care of. Let's make sure the inside is okay. Having done that, and now show you how we're going to insert the new air filter. There you are. It goes in that way. In there. In. There you are. Remember, the open side goes in this way. It goes in this way. Firmly that way. You can see it's in. And the cover follows this way. You have it that way. Watch this clip. It goes this way, back. This one goes this way. Bring it back. And this one go this way. You are done. So that is how you can actually replace your air filter on your own. Take care. Follow us on the next video.